Welcome to this video about text. So we will start with what is text. Text is any object that can be read, whether this object is a work of literature, a street sign, an arrangement of buildings on a city block, or styles of clothing. Next, we have font. Font is a particular size, weight, and style of typeface. There are 4 styles of font as shown in the video, which is bold, italic, underline, and outline. Under font, we have weight. The weight of a particular font is the thickness of the character outlines relative to their height. The base weight differs among typefaces. That means one normal font may appear bolder than some other normal font. For example, fonts intended to be used in posters are often quite bold by default, while fonts for long runs of text are rather light, as shown in the video. Next, we have width. Some typefaces include fonts that vary the width of the characters, although this feature is usually rarer than weight or stroke. Next, we have leading. Leading is an essential design aspect that determines how text is spaced vertically in lines. For content that has multiple lines of readable text, you will want to make the distance from the bottom of the words above to the top of the words below has appropriate spacing to make them legible. Next, we have kerning. Kerning also adjusts space, however, it only adjusts the distance between two letters. Setting them too close together will make the word unreadable. However, setting them far apart, they are awkward to read. Next, we have lettercase. Lettercase is the distinction between the letters that are in larger uppercase and smaller lowercase in the written representation of certain languages. Following on, we have typefaces. Typeface, or also known as a font family, is a set of one or more fonts, each composed of glyphs that share common design features. For example, as shown in the video, Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri, and font. Under typefaces, we have serifs. Typefaces can be divided into 2 main categories, which is serifs and sans serifs. Serifs comprise the small features at the end of strokes within letters. Typefaces with serifs are often considered easier to read in long passages than those without. As a general rule, printed works such as newspapers and books almost always use serif typefaces, at least for the text body. However, websites do not have to specify a font and can simply respect the browser setting of the user. Next, we have text elements used in multimedia presentation. There are 5 of these, which is navigation menu, interactive buttons, fields of reading, HTML documents, symbols, and icons. First is the navigation menu. A navigation menu navigates a user through content using a menu. It is a simple menu that consists of a text list of topics. Next is the interactive button. An interactive button is a clickable object that executes a command when activated. Users can create their own buttons from bitmaps and graphics. Following on, we have fields for reading. Fields for reading are hard copies such as books and printed documents. Next is HTML documents. HTML document is a file containing hypertext markup language. HTML code is based on text or hidden keywords which provide instructions for formatting the document. Commonly used texts are such as B for bold, OL for ordered list, IMG for inserting image. Under HTML document, we have DHTML, which stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Language, which is the advanced form of HTML. It is mostly used to create interactive and animated websites. Moving on, we have symbols. Symbols are concentrated text in the form of standalone graphic constructs. They are used to convey meaningful messages. Symbols used to convey human emotions are called emoticons. Next, we have icons. Icons are symbolic representations of objects and processes. Next, we have anti-alias. In computer graphics, anti-aliasing is a software technique for diminishing stair-step-like lines that should be smooth. As you can see at the left picture, you can see stair-step-like lines, while on the right picture, which has anti-aliasing, the picture is more sharper. Next, we have font editing tools. There are many font editing tools that you can find in the internet. These are some of the examples: Fontographer, Adobe Photoshop, TypeStyler, Cool3D, HotText, Typecaster. Thank you for watching this video.